guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Cakes by Anna. I'm Serena and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make bakery style choco chip muffins at home. Making them is really very simple as well as it tastes amazing. You can have these muffins for breakfast, tea times in the evenings or at any time of the day. So before starting this video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new recipe. And now let's get started. So for this recipe, you require 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, half cup of powdered sugar, 3/4 cup of dark chocolate chips, 1 egg, 1/3 cup of oil, 3/4 cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar which we are going to use to sprinkle over the muffins. And like always, the link for the written recipe is given in the description box below. You can go and check that out. In a large bowl, take the flour, baking powder, salt and the sugar and mix them together. Add in the choco chips, mix it and keep it aside. In another bowl, take the milk, egg and the oil and mix them together till they are combined. Add in the vanilla essence and mix it well. Gradually add the flour mixture into the oil mixture and mix it well till it is combined. Line a muffin tin with muffin papers. If you don't have muffin papers, you can also grease the tin. Fill about 3/4 of the muffin papers with the batter. This recipe makes exactly 12 muffins. Mix together the 3 tablespoons of white sugar and the brown sugar and sprinkle them over the muffins. Sprinkle less if you want lighter and more if you want a darker brown color over the muffins. Bake them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes or until the toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once they are out of the oven, let them cool completely and then you are done with it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and I'll see you in my next video.